Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will cover the detailed process of replacing the clutch and solenoid on the Thermomix TM21. For this task, you will need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a wrench set, and a small container for screws. Make sure to have everything ready before starting. First, unplug your Thermomix TM21 to ensure safety. Next, remove the bowl and the lid. Using the Phillips screwdriver, take out the screws located on the back panel. Keep these screws in your small container so you don't lose them during the process. Once the back panel is removed, you will see the internal components of the Thermomix. Here, it's crucial to clean any dust or debris to ensure optimal performance. A soft brush or a vacuum with a nozzle can be helpful. Remember, a clean environment is key to a successful repair. Now, locate the clutch assembly. It will be securely attached, so gently wiggle it to release it from its position. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws are removed. Once you have the clutch out, take a moment to inspect it for wear and tear. If you notice any damage, it's time for a replacement. Next, we will focus on the solenoid. This component plays a vital role in the clutch operation. Disconnect the wires attached to the solenoid, note their positions for reassembly later. Using your wrench, loosen and remove the bolts securing the solenoid. Make sure to handle this part with care, as you don't want to damage surrounding components. Once the solenoid is out, take the new solenoid and install it by reversing the removal steps. Secure it with the bolts and reconnect the wires, ensuring they match the original configuration. Now, it's time to install the new clutch. Align it properly within the housing and push it into place. Reattach the screws you removed earlier to secure both the solenoid and the clutch. Ensure everything is fastened tightly, as loose components can lead to further issues. Before you replace the back panel, it's important to test the new solenoid and clutch. Plug in your Thermomix and run a quick test cycle. If everything sounds normal, you're ready to proceed. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we provide pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't need to worry about traveling or making phone calls. You can also receive a quote before any repair work begins, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Finally, replace the back panel by securing it with the screws you set aside earlier. Double-check that all screws are tight and that there are no loose components. Your Thermomix TM21 is now ready for use with its new clutch and solenoid. Thank you for watching. Your appliance maintenance is important to us, and we hope this guide has been helpful. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.